Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening the PDF in Edge. Click the file or drag it into the browser window so the built-in viewer appears. Once done, locate the toolbar at the top. This contains Edit, Draw, Highlight, and Text tools. Choose one immediately. Make sure to check if the PDF is locked or requires a sign-in, unlock or sign in before editing. You're ready to act now. Pick the Text tool for quick changes or the Draw tool for annotations. You'll switch tools as needed. Now focus on the core edits. Use the Text tool to click editable areas and type corrections or new content. Adjust font size and alignment in the toolbar so layout stays consistent. Once done with text, switch to Highlight or Draw to mark important lines, and change color or stroke width to maintain clarity. If you need a logo or signature, choose Add Image or Sign, then click and drag the corners to resize. Make sure to place elements so they don't overlap critical content. Finish by saving your work. Press Ctrl+S or click Save, and use Save As to keep an original copy if desired. Once saved, export or print to PDF to flatten annotations and preserve layout. Check file size and compatibility options before sharing. If things go wrong, first make sure permissions allow editing, update Edge, and retry. If heavy editing still fails, convert the PDF to Word or use a dedicated editor. This bypasses viewer limits and ensures complex layout changes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.